jigging this. You don't want to jig it and then stop, jig it, stop. You want to keep that live motion going, like a leech in the water. So let that go, and as you can see, I slowly jig it and wheel it at the same time. Keep that motion going. You want to slowly rig it up. You don't want to. And then when you're fishing from a kayak like I am right now, keep your pole up in the air. As you can see, I'm getting deeper in the water, deeper in the lake, so I want to drop it down deeper. Since I'm fishing shallow, I want to keep it up high, but also not too high. This one might be too big, this jig might be a little too big for where I want it to be done.